Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ashish. I surprise for you and my YouTube family. Today's topic is Flutter. Imagine building a beautiful mobile apps once and running it on Android, iOS and web desktop without rewriting the code. No compromises and no slow performance. Sound impossible. This is exactly what Flutter made possible. This is the story of Flutter, a framework that changed app development forever. The beginning why Flutter was created. Before Flutter, developers had two choices: write separate code for Android and iOS, or use cross-platform tools that felt slow and limited. Google wanted a solution that developed native performance with a single codebase. In 2017, Flutter was introduced, built on the Dart programming language with a focus on speed, flexibility, and beautiful design. The breakthrough: how Flutter works. Flutter doesn't really or native UI components. Instead, it uses its own high-performance redirecting engine, and this allows Flutter's apps to look the same on every platform and run smoothly. With hot reload, and developers can see changes initially, and making development faster and enjoyable. The rise and loved by the developers and startup. That's Flutter quickly again the popularity because it is reduced developments and the time and cost. Startup could build apps and faster, and large companies could maintain a single code base. Flutter made UI development and creative and efficient, and the developers felt empowered again. The impact and power Flutter is in the real world. Today, Flutter is used companies like Google, Alibaba, and BMW and eBay. It powers mobile apps, web apps, and desktop applications. Flutter is used for MVPs and enterprises apps and high performance user interfaces, and it proved that cross-platform doesn't mean compromise. The present more than mobile, Flutter now supports Android, iOS, web and Windows, Macs, and Linux. It integrates with Firebase's APIs and backend system. Flutter is not just a framework; it is used a full ecosystem for building modern applications. So the future, fast, flexible, and everywhere. The future of Flutter, bright with improvements in performance, tooling, and platform support. Flutter aims to become the universal UI framework as devices diversely, and that's Flutter builds once, run everywhere. Vision becomes more powerful. The final message: creativity meets code. Flutter didn't just simply development, it made it fun. It gave developers the freedom to design without the limits. And my ending scenario, Flutter turns idea into experience on every green. So my the motto is Flutter turns idea into experience on every screen with enough Flutter use. So that's big impact in the future, and useful all the software companies and every big companies also use this. So thank you so much guys, and आप सभी को अच्छा लगा हो तो like and subscribe me and share with your friends.